Forget waiting around for those slow, steady gains. With this trading strategy, you can dive in and out of trades in a snap, capitalizing on those tiny price movements and turning them into some serious money. Because we know it's all about keeping your money safe while racking in the profits. We'll be using 15-minute gold chart as our background, and I'm going to show you how to add a handy tool called the follow line indicator. Don't worry, it's way easier than it sounds. First, let's open up the gold chart and get it set up on the 15-minute time frame. Got it? Great. Now we're ready to add our secret weapon, the follow line indicator. To add this, let's head over to the indicator section and give it a click. A pop-up window will appear and you'll want to type follow line into the search bar. After that, look for the follow line indicator by Kevang Olsbeljek in the results and click on it to add it to your chart. Voila! You've now got the follow line indicator ready to help you make those winning trades. Now you might be wondering what the heck this follow line indicator is all about, right? Well, it's all about volatility, my friend. This handy tool keeps an eye on the price action and adjusts accordingly. When the price climbs above the Bollinger Band with one standard deviation, the follow line increases right along with it. On the flip side, when the price dips below the lower Bollinger Band, also with one standard deviation, the follow line takes a dip too. And when the price just chilling between those bands, the follow line stays flat as a pancake. Pretty cool, huh? But keeping an eye on these price movements and how the follow line reacts, you'll be better equipped to make informed decisions when it comes to buying and selling. And who doesn't love making smart, confident choices when it comes to their hard-earned cash? Alright, now you've got the follow line indicator up and running, but hold your horses. There's something you need to know. While this indicator can generate some spot-on signals, it can occasionally throw out a curveball and give you signals that goes against the market trend. But don't worry, I've got your back with two solutions that'll help you tackle this challenge like a pro. First, we're going to fine-tune the follow line indicator to make it even more reliable. Then we'll throw in a confirmation indicator to give you the extra layer of assurance when making your trades. And to top it all off, we'll do some backtesting to show you how it all works together in harmony. Let's kick things off by optimizing the follow line indicator. Head over to the settings and in the inputs tab, change the ATR period to 3. Make sure the Bollinger Bands period is set to 21 and the deviation is at 1. Also, double check that the ATR filter and show signal options are enabled. These are crucial for getting the most out of the indicator. Now let's spruce up the style section to make the indicator stand out on the chart. After all, you want it to be as clear as day when those signals pop up, right? So feel free to customize the colors, line thickness, and any other visual aspects that tackle your fancy. Great work. Now that we've got your follow line indicator all fine-tuned and ready to roll, it's time to add a cherry on top, the 4WMA ribbon indicator. This bad boy is going to act as your trusty confirmation indicator, making sure you've got a solid foundation for those trading decisions. So let's hop back into the indicator section and get your hands on the 4WMA ribbon. Go ahead and click on the indicators tab, and when the pop-up window appears, type 4WMA ribbon into the search bar. Once you've got your results, keep an eye out for the 4WMA ribbon indicator and give it a click to slap it onto your chart. You're on a roll. Now you might be wondering what's special about the 4WMA ribbon. Well, it's a fantastic tool that consists of 4 moving averages, which are WMA types, each with different periods. Now before we move on, there's something I need to tell you about our trusty 4WMA ribbon indicator. It's awesome right out of the box, but with a few simple tweaks. We can tailor it to work even better with our scalping strategy. Don't worry, it's a breeze. So let's back into the indicator settings window and click on the style tab. Here, we'll want to disable the first 2 WMA options. Just click them off and we're good to go. For WMA 3, let's switch up the color to white, and for WMA 4, we'll make it a sunny yellow. These changes will make it easier to spot trends and price movements at a glance. As for the input section, the default values are pretty darn good, so you will leave them be. They're perfect for our scalping strategy, so why fix what ain't broke, right? When the prices are hanging out above the WMA lines, you can bet the trend is heading up. It's like a green light for those bullish moves. On the flip side, if the price are chilling below the WMA lines, you know that the trend is taking a dip. Time to put your bearish trading hat. Alright, let's dig into how these fantastic indicators can guide your trading decisions when the market's on the up and up. Picture this. You've got your follow line and 4 WMA ribbon indicators all set up, and you'll notice that trend is pointing toward the sky. Exciting stuff, right? And this situation, we'll want to focus on those buy signals and let the sell signals take a backseat for now. So, see that first sell signal? We can filter that one out since we're in an uptrend market. But wait, what's this? A buy signal has emerged during this uptrend. It's like finding a hidden treasure. This is a confirmed signal, my friend, and it's telling you it's a great time to jump in and enter that trade. Now that you're in the trade, let's talk about protecting your investment. You'll want to set a stop loss order just below the WMA lines. This is like a safety net for your trade, making sure you don't lose more than you're comfortable with. As for your take profit target, you can aim for a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 2, or you can get fancy and trail your stop loss order with the WMA lines, giving your trade room to grow while still keeping it safe. And when see the trend pointing downward, it's time to shift your focus to sell signals. Just like we filtered out sell signal during an uptrend, we'll want to do the same for buy signals during a downtrend. When the 4 WMA ribbon indicates that the market is heading south, pay close attention to those sell signals generated by the follow line indicator. Once you spot a confirmed sell signal, it's time to pull the trigger and enter that trade. To protect your investment, set your stop loss order just above the WMA lines. And for your take profit target, you can either aim for the 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio or get creative with trailing stop loss orders. Alright folks, it's time to put the strategy to the test and see how it performs in the real world. We're going to backtest it on the gold 15-minute chart with a whopping 100 trades under its belt. And here are the results. Our strategy pulled off an impressive 68% win rate. We also managed to bag a mouth-watering 181% profit. With the profit factor of 4.39, it's like the cherry on the top of an already delicious cake. During our trading period, we had 8 consecutive wins, and that's a winning streak any trader would be proud of. On the flip side, we also had 4 consecutive losses, but that's just how the cookie crumbles sometimes. Even the best strategies can't win them all, but as long as we keep our overall performance in check, you're on the right track. Another important aspect to consider is the max drawdown. In our case, it was reasonable 3.94%. Not too shabby, right? So there you have it, a pretty darn solid trading strategy that's been battle tested and proven to perform. Keep practicing, keep learning, and most importantly, keep enjoying the journey.